Hi everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back and hello to all the new people. Today I'm doing Ipsy. Woohoo! Do it that way. Yeah, Ipsy. So this month was supposed to be Ipsy versus Ipsy, but Ipsy lost my bag. So it's just going to be Ipsy versus itself. I'm thinking if I get my bag next month, probably near the end of April, because that's the way it rolls around here, it'll be a March bag versus an April bag. What is better? I thought that would be kind of cool, and my son wanted to join me and kind of like open it up with me. He's 9, and so that'll be next month. Tune in for that one. So let's get into this. So this is my first month doing an add-on somewhere in here. So I wanted to show you that first because I'm pretty darn excited about it. My other bag had add-ons too, so I'm hoping that they come. It said that in the email because it's so late that they can't guarantee inventory, but you still get something awesome. Like one of my add-ons. So we'll see. We'll see. Whew, they sure packaged that. Alright. Okay. So, if you don't know, this is Ofra. Look at that. Look at how nice. And this is a full size I got for $3. So like 4 something Canadian. And it's a highlighter. And this one's in Star Island. Kind of smell caramelicious. Caramelicious. Not a word, but I'll roll with it. So I'm gonna try it. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, I don't know if you can. Oh yeah. Wow, that's a nice highlighter. Let's just add some of it on. Yep. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty excited about that. So that's really awesome. Oh yeah, I got another add-on too. So this is a brush. Yep, it's a brush. I love brushes, and it ain't no lie. So this one is a precision angle. This one, oh, this was a Moda Pro. I loved it because, like, I don't know if you can be able to see. It hasn't been focusing on my brushes. I don't know why. Nope, not focusing. But it's got like a grippy. Can you hear that? It's a grippy. So this one isn't on an angle. So I mean, it's great. I could have used that for my highlighter, like highlights and stuff, and blending and all that awesome stuff. And it's really nice. Actually, it's like nicely stiff, which I like. I don't like when they're like yeah, all over. So yeah, that was another $3 add-on too. So I'm really excited about this month's add-on. No, sorry, April's month's add-on. We're almost at the end. Almost at the end. All right, so this is the bag, and it's rose gold. I feel like everything this month has been rose gold. And it says, off she went to change the world, because I know it's Women's Month. I think. What is it again? Oh, yes. National History. It's National Women's History Month. So this is to celebrate women. Yeah, women, we rock. Yes, we do. Alright, so that actually tells me what's in there. So the first thing I am seeing is a Yansa Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation BBCC Full Coverage Foundation. Whew. Wow. Alrighty. It's a BB and a CC cream. I use CC cream. I love it. So I've never heard of a BB and a CC together. This is a creamy foundation, does a whole lot of good for your skin. It's a BB, CC, and full coverage in one that acts as a moisturizer, primer, blemish fighter, and more. Ooh, I might really like that. sounds really light. I hate when they are like, oh yeah, not again. Too heavy. I don't like that feeling. So let's use it on my wrist here. Ew. Yeah, it is very full coverage. Actually it's blending into my skin. Might be a little in the no, it's blending in quite well. It kind of matches. That's cool. Doesn't say which. Light neutral. So I feel like I'm gonna get this all over me. And I have nothing. Oh, I do something down here to wipe. Look at that. Excuse me. Wipe that off a little bit. 8. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. It's not Bum Bum, it's Boom Boom. I looked it up. But it's fun to say Bum Bum. I don't know. There it is. Okay, I gotta like confess, because I've had this bag for a while now. This is the one thing that I like opened and looked at. I do like it. It's just, it seems to be more on like the fragrance side, like perfumey. But I have the Sol de Janeiro Copacabana cream, and I love that. I put it on every night. I love it. This one I feel like I like the other one better, and I feel like the other one moisturized better. This one did, like, it sunk into the skin all nicely, but just didn't feel as moisturizing. So I'm still gonna keep it, and I'm still gonna like try to use it, but the other one is still definitely my favorite. It still smells good, it just, the other one's my favorite. So that's still cool to get in the bag. 8. This one is, and I have a few products for them. Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. Apply generously, apply 2 minutes, and then rinse. 2 minutes. Cool. And it's a little generous bottle there. And I really like their hand cream that I have of theirs, so I'm not going to open it yet because I have lots of these things in the house going on right now. Okay. Ooh, another brush. It's like, what, 4 this month I've gotten? Oh yeah. So it's a little bit more on the flimsy side. Probably still good for like highlights and like kind of just blending in. And this one is by Chic Blush. Let's try to see if it'll focus on this. It's kind of like I'm kind of hitting the light funny, but sorry. Boink. It's still really soft. So it's going into my collection. And one thing left. That's sad. It's really sad when you know you had 2 bags and it just ended too soon. Oh, so this one is Latte London Shimmer Squad. The Good Girl. It's the Good Girl. That's the... That's funny. When you open it up, the box seems all huge. And then it's like that. I could have made that smaller. Okay, let's try this out. Another highlighter this month. I think I'm good on highlighters now. I might have to change my profile. Here's somebody coming down.
Can I come in?
Nope, just doing a video.
Huh?
Doing a video.
Oh.
Sorry. Alright. It's not the cat, it's the kids. It's not the kids, it's the cat. It's my husband. So. Okay. Let's try this. Can you see that? It's still really pretty, but I don't know if you can see that. It smells like glue. Is it supposed to smell like glue? I don't know. But that's still really cool. Yep, the Good Girl is the name of like the color. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Let's see. It's nice, hey? It's really nice. I like the 0 better, but I'll still try it. I'll still use it. I'm even thinking this would be really good on your like your eyes too. So okay, so that was it. That was my Ipsy for the month, and that's pretty darn cute. So yeah. So next month hopefully will be Ipsy versus Ipsy, March versus April. What bag was better? I thought that would be kind of cool. So yeah, I like to repeat myself. Sorry. If you like this video, press like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, maybe about something that you saw in this bag or something that you want to see me like review. I will totally do that. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm gonna go off and have an adventure today by myself without children. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. My husband doesn't know yet. Alright. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Bye.